Welcome to another video tutorial from 2dgameHardGuru.com. Today I'm working in Affinity version 3 to create double outlines around text elements. I'll be using artistic texts, solid lines, layer effects and the contour tool. As with most projects, there are multiple ways to approach this. Let's start with option 1, using two objects and different size strokes. I have a fully editable artistic text. I set the stroke color from no stroke to a blue stroke, change the color slightly, and then look at the stroke settings. For this effect, I go with a centered alignment and a stroke set behind the object, otherwise the letters will be outlined individually. Remember to tick the Scale with Objects box in order to adjust the stroke automatically when you scale your design. Duplicate the object and increase the stroke width. Twice the size would give you even spacing. Place the duplicate below the original in the layer panel and adjust the stroke color of the top layer. Once the strokes have different colors, the double outline becomes visible. To make it easier to edit, it might make sense to turn the text into a symbol before you duplicate it and turn off the sync when changing the stroke widths. Another approach would be a stroke and an outline using just a single copy of the text. Again, I start with the text, set the stroke, change the color and the stroke widths. I add a layer effect outline, adjust the color and the radius of the outline, and Affinity will create a bitmap effect that outlines the layer. In order to scale with the object, if you scale it later on, make sure you tick the Scale with Object option. The outline radius won't be affected otherwise. A third option would be the contour tool. I duplicate the text object, select the lower version, give it a darker fill color to be visible, and adjust the contour. You can either drag with the mouse or enter a value in the context UI. I duplicate the contoured object and adjust the width of the contour and the fill color. I now have 3 layers. 1 is the text, 2 are the contoured objects below the text. One issue with the contours is they don't scale with the object. Unlike the stroke or the effects, there is no Scale with Object option. You can either use the Bake Appearance or convert to curves to turn contours into curves that will then scale with the object. You can also combine different methods, like use a stroke and a contour, setting the initial object up to have a stroke and place a duplicate with an outline below. This would make sense when you want to have a triple outline with the contoured object having a matching stroke. So far, all these options kept the text as editable artistic text. The last option I'll show you requires the text to be converted into curves in order to apply multiple strokes to the same object. I start by setting a stroke, adjust the color, the width, and the setting before switching to the Appearance panel. Affinity allows multiple strokes on objects, except for text objects. They need to be converted first So I convert the text, ungroup the resulting group of letters, and combine them with the Boolean add into a single curve. Now I can duplicate the assigned stroke, right-clicking on the stroke and choosing the duplicate, adjust the width to be wider, and change the color to be visible. Seeing the color panel only shows one fill and one stroke color, I need to switch to the appearance panel, select the stroke I want to change, and then change the color of that one. I can only change one stroke color at a time. When deciding which approach is the right one for your project, ask yourself a few questions. Do I need to keep my text editable? That would cut out the last option. That text is no longer editable if you have multiple lines. Do I need it to be fully scalable? The contour approach would make that a little bit more of an effort, and the outline effect, being a raster option, might cause issues with scaling as well. And being a raster effect, the outline option would be exported as a pixel layer if you export to EPS or SVG files. When exporting to other vector file formats, you want the effect to be convertible to curves. The multiple stroke approach would make that hard because it would only convert one curve. The outline effect wouldn't be convertible to curves at all. The different approaches look the same, but the way you work with them afterwards differs. If you're looking for more text effects and more complex designs, have a look at the video I recorded a while back. It also comes with free Affinity sample files. In this video, I used artistic text, solid lines, the outline layer effect, and the contour tool to create double outlines around text objects. If you have a different approach, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I will see you again soon.